up, loud and proud crowd? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. We are sliding around right now. We are fishtailing.
It's a fishtail.
It's a fishtail. Hopefully everybody's doing great on this Sunday afternoon. And we had a good service this morning. Went to church. That's our routine. We go to church and stuff like that, and it's always a good time. So now we have to go load up some hay for a guy. The same guy. Actually, we didn't get this on video last time, but we loaded a guy up last weekend with 30 big square bales, and that was of the first cutting, and that stuff is roughly 800 pounds of bales, what we're kind of guessing on. He did 30 squares on that. Now he's got a big dually Duramax. Not when I say big, I mean like it's just big because it's a dually. It's a dually Duramax. It's a 2012. It's got a tandem dually axle trailer that he's pulling behind it. So I mean, he's got the right equipment. It's just, I don't know how much of it is technically legal, but he's got to go a long way, so it's kind of like he wants to get as much as he can in each load kind of deal. And it seems like he does it all the time, you know what I mean? Like just the day that he got the hay from us, we had seen him coming back from Ohio with a big load on it. Then he took that load from us. Like, it seems like it's kind of something that they regularly do. Nonetheless, we're gonna get that loaded up, show you guys what a Duramax looks like with how much waste are going to be.
Let's see if I can do some quick math while I'm not driving down the road. Roughly 26,000 pounds.
26,000 pounds just in the hay load. That's just hay. That's not the weight of the trailer. That's not the weight of the truck. And all that weight all together that the engine technically has to be pulling when it's going down the road. It's going to be a heavy load, bigger than any load we've ever loaded up on one of our, far bigger than any load we put on any of our trailers or anything like that, pulled behind one of our trucks. I already see the comments, Team Duramax. It's because it's a Duramax. It can pull better. It's a Chevy thing. I get it. All the Chevy fanboys are going to get super excited down in the comments. You know what? The truck looks good pulling it. It's a good looking setup.
He's got the right trailer for it too.
Yeah, he's got the right trailer and he's got the right truck. Dually.
Tandem axle dually trailer. Yeah,
so. Dad said he wants one of those in a dually, because some guys had actually made a comment one time about, why don't you get a dually trailer? What was kind of the reason why you weren't able to get a dually trailer behind the KingRanch?
Basically, at the time, I didn't need it for what I was going to haul, and secondly is because I think the way this truck pairs up, this truck can handle that trailer that I got, and they match up perfectly for what's legal limits, so that's pretty much why I didn't see it necessary at the time.
Well, and I thought it had something to do with Gator was like technically, or whatever the laws were, like you technically, if you're gonna be, pulling a tandem dually trailer, you gotta have a dually truck to handle the same. It's gotta match up, it's gotta pair up, and if it's not, then you can't, technically you're not supposed to run a tandem dually trailer without running a...
Yeah, this truck, whatever I put on our trailer, the limit matches and so forth. When I had that one built, I actually ordered that one the way that it came, and everything is paired up perfectly, so within those ranges, it should be fine. I guess if I get a different trailer, I'll have to get a different truck.
Oh no, he's gonna have to get a dually. So anyways, we're gonna get over to the farm here. By the way, everybody, we are at the barn and we are getting ready to move this hay and load it up onto some guy's trailer. And then we're also gonna get more hay from around the back. But I did wanna say, if you notice the hat, Diesel Auto Power, if you notice the hoodie, Diesel Auto Power. Diesel Auto Power is the new sponsor for the channel. So yesterday's video was really good one. You guys should go check it out. A lot of people got really excited about it. They thought it was cool. The intro was cool. It just kind of shows, like, from the beginning of the channel, where we came from, like taking it back to where it started. Seriously, like nothing. There were no subscribers, obviously. We started from scratch. We just, as a team, we just started knocking out goals and milestones one at a time, just one after another, just crushing it. And now we're already at over 40,000 subscribers, and we went from averaging like 10, 15 subscribers a day, and I thought it was awesome because and it was, for a start, that was like, I was like, holy smokes, 15 subscribers a day, that's crazy. And now it's anywhere from 250 to 550 subscribers a day, and the family's just been blowing up, and it's been amazing, and it's just been awesome. Kind of taking it back to just kind of recognizing where things came from, so it's not like, oh, just one day you just went out and got a sponsor without putting in any work. Like, it takes a lot of work to build up to those points, to build up to those different milestones and hit those different goals and barriers to where you can get bigger things to take place on the channel, and you can move into bigger areas, and then you can reset bigger goals and higher levels of achievement that you want to try to accomplish. And it's just taking it, just taking it back is all it was, just taking it back from where it started to where it is now, and just knowing like it all has to, you have to start somewhere. It doesn't just happen overnight. You have to work at it, pursue it and chase that dream and chase that goal every single day. And that's what I did every single day for 8-9 months, was just chasing this. And now things are building up, things are happening, things are moving forward. Just super excited to have you guys along with that. But you guys should definitely check out yesterday's video if you did not see the big reveal video. It was a pretty cool one. It's only half the load. I'm gonna load it back up. A little bit more. This tractor tipped up and down a couple of times, just on the front 2 tires. I asked him, he said he don't mind if I film, so. It's a lot of weight. But he's got a Chevy, so we're good. It's probably gonna put a wrap on this video. We did get that trailer loaded down. He kind of makes it sound like he wishes he could haul more on there, but he's like, the straps just aren't long enough.
No, right?
How much do you think that total thing was? I think we said about 26,000, give or take.
We thought it was gonna be 26,000, but then instead of going 33 bales, we wimped out and just went 30 bales and left the other 3 right here.
Listen, we're not saying you wimped out. We know you're gonna see this, but.
Well, I'll tell you what though, I about lost it a couple of times in the tractor just because, yeah, there's a lot of weight, especially these were 3rd cutting bales. Yeah. 3rd and 4th, they're pretty nice. No traction out there today, so that made it a little bit difficult. Trailer was wet, so there's no friction to pull the hay bales off. That made it a little bit more difficult, but that's what makes us stronger.
Yeah.
That's good stuff.
Or annoyed. I don't know, one or the other.
It just takes longer. Yeah. Last week it was too muddy like crazy, rutted up everything. This week, just snowy, but that's the nature.
Just slushy.
Of the farm life.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not heard the news yesterday, check out yesterday's video or just check out the hat. Diesel Auto Power is a new sponsor. They're helping us out, helping us move forward with the channel. So definitely go and pay their website a visit. Check out their website and see what they have for your truck. They specialize in 12 and 24 valve Cummins diesel parts. So, but they have a variety of things. So go check them out, see what they have. Might have something you want, might have something you need. Or if you're not entirely sure what you need for your build and your goals, give them a call. There's Brady and there's 2 Jacobs over there. They can definitely help you out. I'm sure they'll be more than happy to help you guys out with whatever you need. I'll leave their website down below. Leave your likes, leave your comments down below, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Doing what I love, going day to day, but I know it takes time and I'm patiently waiting. Sometimes I contemplate, cause one day you feel so close and the next is out of sight. But I know I gotta hold on tight to go back to just going out every night. Like if I'm about to let it go now, I can live alright, live a normal life, doing 9 to 5. But I know I'm more than that. I gained this skill, wasn't born with that. At the end of the life, it's a memory.